Moving on now, the Trump administration has been sued by environmental and health groups challenging the U.S. president's decision to repeal a key scientific finding on greenhouse gases. With this, a central pillar of U.S. climate regulation is now before the courts. A coalition of environment and public health organizations filed the lawsuit, seeking to overturn the repeal of the 2009 endangerment finding. The finding is a scientific determination that greenhouse gases pose a threat to public health and welfare. It has long served as the legal foundation for federal limits on vehicle emissions and a wide range of climate regulations. The group argue the rollback is unlawful, saying the determination is backed by extensive scientific evidence and has been upheld repeatedly by the courts. They contend the administration cannot discard it without violating federal law. Trump's Environmental Protection Agency has pushed back, saying they have re-examined the finding. They concluded that it lacks statutory authority to regulate automobile emissions specifically to address global climate change. The administration also argues the rollback would reduce regulatory costs and lower vehicle prices. This comes as U.S. Energy Secretary Chris Wright commented on Europe's climate action.
I think rightfully called the climate cult, has just driven up the price of energy. Europe as a whole produces less energy today than it did 17 years ago, and prices are dramatically higher. It's just moved jobs overseas to Asia. It's reduced economic opportunities for Europeans. It's made it harder to pay their bills. It made them very dependent on Russia.
The endangerment finding traces back to a landmark 2007 ruling by the Supreme Court, which classified greenhouse gases as pollutants under the Clean Air Act. Since then, the finding has underpinned more than a decade of U.S. climate policy. Its reversal places many existing and future regulations in legal uncertainties.